Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is November 30, 2023, Thursday. Option expiry for BankNifty and Nifty, and also the last trading day for the month of November. Right? So first the levels, then we go into the discussion part of it. FinNifty closed at 20,054.65, 0.27% up, while Nifty up by 0.19%, closing at BankNifty 44,481.75, Nifty 20,133.15. So Nifty, all these things formed BankNifty, FinNifty formed a hanging man type candle in the daily chart. What is hanging man? It opened significantly above the previous day's close, that is yesterday's close, and then closed at the same level, forming a long lower leg and also slightly long upper leg above the Bollinger upper band. Normally it is a perfect case for assuming to be the reversal, but of course, as I have told many times, the first reversal we have to observe, then we have to see. Of course, tomorrow if it opens gap down, straight away it will go down. One can say that. Normally that is how it technically it happened. It doesn't mean that it has to close that way, but most of the occasions after such a big rally, and if it forms a doji, and if it's next day if it opens gap down, it's a simple evening star. BankNifty on the other hand, it formed a solid red candle and closed below the Bollinger lower band. But Nifty formed a very good green candle. Nifty formed a green candle like a long leg, long leg, like a hanging man, but I wouldn't call it a hanging man. So what had happened? All these indices, now Nifty is not able to cross the Bollinger upper band, whereas BankNifty, FinNifty above the upper band formed a reversal type of candle. Definitely it's a first reversal. We need confirmation though. But BankNifty came down below the Bollinger upper band. This is on the daily. Now let's say on the monthly. Then we go into the power of technical analysis. Monthly, what happened? BankNifty formed almost a bullish engulf. I'm using the word almost a bullish engulf because it is not fully engulfed to the previous month's candle, that is October candle. Whereas FinNifty formed a bullish engulf, but Nifty formed a very powerful bullish engulf candle, and in fact it is close to the Bollinger upper band in the monthly chart, which is why I had said that Bollinger upper band is something which one can look at as a resistance for Nifty for today's close. That's what we had said. So normally after such a big up move, the next month candle will be a sideways candle, because there has to be some enough. It's a very simple logic, right? There has to be a base for it to go up, right? After such a big up move, one can expect a sideways candle, a candle of a doji, or with a sideways candle, little sideways, or it can even go up and then come down forming a red candle. That is for next month, we will see that. But at this month, it closed powerfully. Now coming to the what do you call power of technical analysis. If you had seen that, we have been telling for the last 2-3 days that the lower level is very easy to say, but on the upper side we have slightly upped our levels, though we had said that the September quarter open for Bank Nifty plus 200 points is something which one can think of. That is what we had said on the upper side. On the lower side, I am not going to talk, because we had said that 2022 close. We didn't say yesterday. We have been telling for the last 2-3 days, much before this up move started. Right? Nifty, on the other hand, we had said that the all-time high, which it touched, again it is very difficult to touch. So that's the power of technical analysis. I tell everyone, whoever wants to trade, please learn technical analysis powerfully. I am going to give one more information now. I am ready for any challenge with anybody. Whatever happens in the month of December, okay, I am repeating, I would request people to hear fully. The closing of December or the closing of the year will not be above the all-time high it has touched earlier. That challenge I am ready with anybody. Right? Why it is technical? Right? That's why I am saying it. I'm not saying it will not go above that. It can go above the all-time high, Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, all three indices. But the closing of December end, which will be the 2022 close, will be below the all-time high it has touched some time back, which was 20,222.60 for Nifty. Bank Nifty is way above 46,300 and something, and for Fin Nifty it is 20,666.30. That is purely technical. That is how it is. It is very difficult to close above that. Why? If somebody is approaching me or anyone interested, I can give you the answer in January. Right? I am not a foreteller or astrologer to say that this is what will happen. I am saying technically that is what it is. Now let's go into the analysis part of it. Banks today, IndusInd Bank and SBI fell 1%. Federal and Yes Bank fell 2%. Axis Bank 1% up, Bandhan 2% up. Axis Bank, after that announcement of RBI, after that it came down. Thereafter it started moving up. Last week it formed a powerful green candle. It continued in the weekly chart, thereby going up and crossing the Bollinger upper band in the daily and weekly chart. It's on a significant up move. On the financials, we had Chola, Bajaj Finserv, Jio and Manappuram 1% up. L&T Finance, LIC Housing Finance, Shriram 2% up, Muthoot 5% up. If you recollect, I had said yesterday, Bajaj Finserv is something which is set to continue its up move. That's what it is. It is technical. I am not an astrologer. It is technical. Insurance and cards, HDFC Life, ICICI General, ICICI Pru, SBI Life, all moved up by 2%. In the oil and telecom, Reliance fell 1%, Bharti remains sideways. IT, Apple, TCS and LTIM 1% down. Coforge 1% up, LTTS Wipro 2% up, Intellect had a massive move of 5%. Consumer goods, Asian Paints down 1%, but Asian Paints next month we can expect some good move, not a big up move, but some up move that is possible technically. 1% up in Britannia, HUL, Nestle, PVR, ABFRL, DMart, Pidilite and Titan 2% up, Trent up by 4%. Automobiles, Escorts and Tata Motor 1% down, Ashok Leyland 1% up, Eicher, Hero Motor, M&M 2% up. Metals, mostly it was a sideways day, JSW and SAIL up 1%. Healthcare and Pharma, Thyrocare 1% down, while Cipla, Divi's, Dr. Reddy, Lalpath, Metropolis 1% up, Apollo Hospitals and Sun Pharma 2% up. In the others category, Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, Aries 1% down, DLF down 2%, L&T, Indio, IRCTC 1% up, Apollo, APL Apollo, Godrej, Nykaa, Polycab, Zomato 2% up, MCX 3% up, Delta Car 5% up. With all these things, what do we expect for the month of December? So, I mean, the Bollinger upper band is something where in the monthly chart it can touch, because in the yearly chart it is Nifty is above the Bollinger upper band. So hence, like, the only level that it is possible is in the monthly chart, which is somewhere around 2320 levels. But as I said that it can go there, it cannot close there. Thank you very much.